Hello everyone, it's Quintickle here with another video. Today we're going to discuss a very interesting topic, AI. You may have noticed I have a new style of making videos, hopefully you enjoy it. A very common question I get asked is, what is AI? I'm actually not going to answer the question in this video, however CGP Grey has done a much better job at that than I could ever do, so I'll link his video in the description. With that out of the way, how does my AI for this video work? Today's AI purpose is to understand if you give it a word, if it's a garbled mess, or an actual word. In order to achieve this, I have created a bot which has rules, required probability, and each rule has a letter group and a multiplier. Remember what our bot is supposed to do. Here is an example of how we're going to use everything I described above. Let's say we have a bot with the rules ADC 15, FLK -20, and MAN 30, with a required probability of 10. We feed this bot the word ADC ADC MAN FLK, and it will calculate the probability of it being a word. The total probability will be 40 because we know how to add numbers. Then it compares the required probability to the probability of the word, and if the calculated probability is higher than the required one, then it's considered a word. Otherwise, it's not. In order to train our bots, we need a dataset, some words, and a little bit of garbled mess. We will give all of this to our little bot here. The more words we have, the more accurate the bot will be. For now, this is enough talking, let's get into coding. I am going to write this all in Java because of how easy it is to manipulate strings in it, and also because it's a very common language. However, this is my third iteration writing this, since I've also written it twice in C++ in order to perfect it. I might find this ++ code and leave it down below. All the code I write today will be available on my GitLab. I post a ton of cool stuff there. I start off with some basic classes along with some boilerplate code, which you should see being implemented right now. I create the bot class and the rule class. I also make a few more things. For now though, sit back and enjoy the time lapse. You may have noticed at some point I tried to make it multi-threaded, but I just couldn't get it to work, so I cut out a lot of the video where I was doing that. Other mistakes I did were not initializing the list with the bots, not reading the words from the file, and the most important of them all, I forgot to re-initialize the score, which measures how good the bot is doing after each evaluation of it. I left at the end of the video a time-lapse with the correct results after all the bugs were fixed. However, for the purposes of the time-lapse, ignore the slightly wrong results. Now it's mostly raw code I have to write and the breed function. Also, each generation I pop in a few bots just to keep the population alive. Also, a bot is only killed if his score is under the average. Either way, that was about it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment on some mistakes I could have made, other ideas for what I could do in the future, and remember to subscribe for more awesome AI stuff.